How to fix archive is either in unknown format or damaged issue on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Are you facing an error where you have a zipped folder like this, it's in RAR format, and whenever you try to open it up, it gives you an error that says it's either in unknown format or it's simply damaged? If that's the case, this is what you do. So let's say that you have this folder right here. You can right click on it and check the properties. After you check the properties, you'll find out that its file type is actually RAR and it's still not giving you the correct response. That is, it's still giving you it's unsupported or something like that. In that case, you will need to open up your web browser. So let's open up our web browser and search for 7-zip. So that's the file there. Simply search for 7-zip and head over to download option right here and you'll be on this page. Then tap on this download option depending on your system, whichever your system is. Tap on download and your 7-zip should download. After you open it up, it's really simple to set it up. Just open it up, tap on next, and it will download. But after doing that, you'll then need to select your RAR file. Then tap on properties. Tap on show more options. Then there you'll see an option that says 7-zip. Open this up and then simply tap on extract files. After that, you can now tap on OK, tap on yes. Let's tap on yes to all, and it should begin extraction. After the extraction begins and ends, your file should get extracted, and that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.